National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, east central Monroe County in northeast Pennsylvania, Sussex County in northwest New Jersey. This includes the city of Newton, northern Warren County in northwest New Jersey, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near East Bangor, or 14 miles north of Easton, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Delaware Water Gap in Columbia around 9:50 p.m., Blairstown and Echo Lake around 10 p.m., Flat Brookville around 10:05 p.m., Five Points around 10:10 p.m., Crandon Lakes around 10:15 p.m., Branchville and Haynesville around 10:25 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Monroe, and Northampton. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following county: Orange County, New